Hello and welcome to the Isle of Wight. As my YouTube name suggests, as well as previous videos from my early days of uploading, this little rock, this is where I spent a good amount of my years during those videos and up towards them. And whilst the last few years have been spent in Derbyshire doing the university stuff there, it's time for another change, this time into the world of work. And so a few days before I'll be buggering off, time for a good evening ride out with Old Faithful. Do you want to go? The camera at the right angle for this? Well, it'll have to be. The transfer from higher torque, lower power to lower torque, higher power is definitely a noticeable difference. I can definitely get the appeal of my naked bike more so with the position of a sports bike. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Always feels recliner like sitting here now. Anyway, back to whatever I was on about earlier. For the work, I was sent a contract after I was approved for them wanting me. I'm sure I'm using all the technical terms there, but the start date that they issued was rather close to the current date of that time. Surely I can imagine today will be my last ride of this summer on the island. Therefore, there's one more place that needs visiting, even after trips into the Peak District, Lake District, Yorkshire Dales, etc, etc, etc. I still think that whilst there are definitely better roads in terms of ones that keep going and keep offering, such as Nix Pass, Cannafiddle, Holm Pass, all that good stuff, not quite sure that anything quite beats this little road on the Isle of Wight in terms of the best individual single mile stretch of road. I've by no means exhausted the road network in this country, but the only thing I can think of that comes close in terms of good 1 mile runs is the Holm Summit, crossing from, I think, Yorkshire into Derbyshire. The one stretch on the Yorkshire side, but I think this could trump it. So let's go to it now and give you an idea of what the mile has to offer. I say mile, I haven't measured it, it's probably 1.5 or 2. But that does require some of this. Absolutely. Uninterrupted run we were hoping for, but anyway. Woo! We do like an awful lot. The stretch from Ventnor to Shanklin, ladies and gentlemen, well worth it. I think potentially personally I might prefer it the other way around, but either way, it's pretty good. But all in all, oh, hijinks. I think that'll do it for the Isle of Wight this time round, so au revoir for the meantime, and hello Leicestershire! Yes, Leicestershire. Not this particular location, this is where I'm just heading through for today, because today I record this video, I am here to just look at places to live. Not living here quite yet, but you get the idea. My quest for employment has come to an end for now. Well, until I get sacked 2 weeks in, but that's another story. And whilst my location choice wasn't so much a choice on where I want to live, just more so what the work available in the area was, I'm still very much taken with the Midlands sort of area. Having spent 3 years in Derby and many a year before that on the Isle of Wight, I can safely say that this sort of area is much more me for the time being. And now at long last I get to live in the area without being a student. Yes! And seeing as this is a good way of getting the message around to any friends that I haven't already told or want to know what I'm up to, do get in contact. You know how. I do like this bit of road. Quite a lot. Whilst this is more of a boring update video rather than a normal thing that I get up to, the normal stream or very slow trickling videos shouldn't be affected by it. I don't upload regularly enough for that sort of demand, so fear not. Smells like rain, oh dear, oh dear. That being said, despite all the content of this video, I bet the main pointer that you'll take from this is that I've got new gloves that are much brighter than the old faded black ones. Seeing as the seams that I'd patched up on them were going again, I thought it's probably the right time now to invest anew. And here we are, ones that match the jacket. Oh, how vain. But as I can't think of anything to add to this video beyond my usual ramblings, it's probably best to sign off from here. All in all, from Derbyshire to Leicestershire, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Until the next time, adios.